Right, today, I'll show you in a second, is the turbo I'll be fitting to the pickup. It's a TD5 variable vane turbo, so hopefully that should bring me boost a hell of a lot lower. There should be an awesome turbo on that engine. So what I'm doing right now is, obviously, this is the scrap truck I showed you in the previous video. I'm taking off the both intake and exhaust manifolds so that I can fit the new turbo where this turbo is. Because the manifold on the pickup currently is only got 2 bolts, where the turbo bolt instead of 4. You know, 4's better than 2. So I'll be getting the manifold off, and I'll hopefully, the next thing you'll be seeing is underneath the bonnet of the pickup. Right, like I said, next time we'd see, this camera would actually focus, it's too dark in here, that's a problem. So I've just cut the exhaust pipe off. I'm just about to swap everything over, really start unbolting and swapping. And I thought, just for a laugh, I'd hear it, and I wish I could have a straight pipe, but a resonator's gonna have to do. I do love that. Anyway, so now I'll be swapping. Where are there? Was all the bits? In here we got the manifold with the turbo. I won't be keeping that turbo. The intake's there, and then over here we have the new turbo, which that should be a hell of a lot better than what's in there. Yeah, see what happens. Right, turbo's in. I know that I haven't videoed anything for the last 8 hours now, just because I realised this is going to take way too long to be carrying recording. I haven't even started yet. I don't know what's going to happen. I've made a little pipe to go from the manifold down to the turbo. Pipe fittings are in there. Not really sure what else to show you. At the moment it is just straight out the turbo. But anyway, so we've got oil feeds and oil drain. It's plumbed in. There's nothing else to do but to start it. Hopefully it don't go bang. Oil, exhaust, oil feed. Yeah, there ain't much else to do but start the fucking thing. Do that again. Fucking 9 hours of fucking thing. Right. Let's disconnect the fucking.